What's the meaning of capitation? Capitation. Capitation.
Capitation. Capitation. Capitation refers to a method of healthcare payment where providers receive a fixed amount for each patient under their care, regardless of the actual cost of treatment. This payment model incentivizes providers to reduce costs and improve efficiency, as they are responsible for managing their patients' overall health. However, some critics contend that this approach can lead to undertreatment, as providers may withhold necessary services to stay within budget. Overall, capitation is a controversial payment model that has both advantages and drawbacks, and its effectiveness depends largely on how it is implemented and managed.